Luka Doncic will sign a contract extension with the Lakers, and Shaquille O'Neal said that the Lakers were denied the game yesterday. But before that, a lot of people were dismayed yesterday with the Los Angeles Lakers and Boston Celtics fight, especially the fans of the Lakers, because of the controversial calls of the NBA officials. A lot of people believe that the officiating had a big effect on the result of the game, particularly the questionable foul calls that reached the Celtics. One of the most controversial calls was the foul that was given to Jared Vanderbilt after he was able to get close to Derek White while he was hitting it at low. Because of this, the Celtics had free throws that stopped the momentum of the Lakers in their comeback attempt. Aside from this, the fans also noticed that the Celtics were given more than 25 free throws while the Lakers only had 14 na. If the calls were just fair, the game might have had different result. Because of these incidents, the belief of many fans is getting stronger that it's hard for the Celtics to beat their own home court, especially if it seems like they're being favored by the referees. NBA legend Shaquille O'Neal also noticed this, that it seems like the Celtics are really favored in that game. This is not the first time this has happened. A lot of people remember the controversial game in the 2023 regular season where the Lakers lost to the Celtics after Jason Tatum didn't call foul on LeBron James, potential game winner. So according to Shaq, it's really hard for the Lakers to beat the Celtics, especially if they're in their own home court, because the NBA official is in favor of them. Meanwhile, Shams Charania has just reported the injury update of LeBron James. According to Shams, LeBron will be gone for 1 to 2 weeks. Ang pinakamalaking dagok para sa Lakers ay ang paglabas ni LeBron James sa ika-4 na quarter dahil sa groin injury. Dahil sa pagkawala niya ng 1 tandang bawas 2 linggo, magiging hamon para sa Lakers na mapanatili ang kanilang momentum, lalo na't papalapit na ang playoffs. Ngayon, magiging susi ang performance ni Luka Doncic sa pagpapanatili ng kompetitibong laro ng Lakers sa kanyang pag-ako ng mas malaking responsibilidad sa opensa. Kung titignan sa kabuuan, pinakita ng Celtics na handa silang makipagbakbakan para sa titulo sa Eastern Conference, habang ang Lakers naman ay kailangang humanap ng paraan para makabawi kahit wala si LeBron. Sa kasalukuyan, walang opisyal na ulat o panayam na naglalahad ng pagbili ni Luka Doncic ng bahay sa Los Angeles matapos ang kanyang paglipat sa Lakers. Gayunpaman, sa kanyang unang pahayag matapos ang trade, ipinahayag ni Doncic ang kanyang pasasalamat sa Dallas Mavericks at sa kanilang mga tagahanga, binibigyang diin ang kanyang emosyonal na koneksyon sa lungsod at sa koponan. Sa kanyang pagdating sa Los Angeles, mainit siyang tinanggap ng general manager ng Lakers na si Rob Pelinka, na nagmarka ng bagong yugto sa kanyang karera. Bagamat walang partikular na impormasyon tungkol sa kanyang bagong tirahan sa Los Angeles, inaasahan na si Doncic ay mabilis na mag-aangkop sa kanyang bagong kapaligiran at magpapatuloy ng kanyang matagumpay na karera sa NBA kasama ang Lakers.